It may be because they are small, drab, stealthy, and all somewhat similar that the sparrows lurk in the hedgerows of our awareness. They sing, but many do so in a high, buzzy trill not available to some people, especially us senior birders. Some birders dismiss them as little brown jobs, LBJs to the cognoscenti. But the sparrows do migrate, and unlike the flashy warblers and tanagers, many are short-distance migrants, shifting their breeding and wintering ranges by only a few hundred miles rather than thousands. So many of us in North America have different sparrows in summer and winter. They help us greet the seasons. For example, the Vesper sparrow breeds across northern U.S. and southern Canada, even down the spine of the Appalachians in the east. In winter, it pops up from the shrubs across the south. White-crowned sparrow is another herald of the seasons across the warmer states. Its appearance below the U.S. midline announces winter. Subdued on arrival, white-crowned sparrow begins to sing as the dogwoods bloom on its wintering range, telling of the hope of spring. Lincoln's sparrow is more localized and specialized, so most of us see it only in passing. Here is a short guest list of the seasonal sparrows we can expect and enjoy while we have them. Feeder birds? Some are. Some keep their own company, but invite us to their weedy, brushy bowers.